We're here. We made it. Made it to the woods. Let me pause so you can see what I see. Okay. I made the decision on my day off to go here to the woods, and I made it. I made it happen. God made it happen. The forest medicine. My friend, hi Katie. Katie, thank you for sending me that beautiful information about how trees release a chemical that restores us. Starts with a P. I'm still learning, like you. Yeah, it was a sign. I took it as a sign to come here. Jared kept telling me to come here, and we've been telling each other to come here, you know. Here it is. Sensuchi Forest Medicine. Sensuchi from Brother Aaron taught me that it means free of worry. Aaron is a wizard that I work with at my job, and Jared, wonderful, wonderful guy and friend. There's the path. So upon arriving, I was like, let's just take this journey slow, you know? Because I'm always rushing, you know, we're either rushing to work, or, you know, so it's nice to just take my leisure time. I love it here. Look, a tree to hug. A tree to hug. Might as well take the helmet off, right? For the self and others. So, you know, when we do things, you know, that we get the intuitive nudge to do, you know, like go to the forest, be in nature, even if it's a little chilly, even though it's happy spring, even though it's like the third day of spring and it's still a little chilly, I say go for it, you know, just layer up. So what path are we going to choose? Let's take this trail. So I'm glad you're on this journey with me, because you can get a sense of the forest energy. Shout out to Esther Joy. Thanks for the inspiration too. On your channel, you go into the woods and go into nature and you encourage us. So thank you too. What a difference. I mean, like the feeling that I get is like right now, it's just, and then before I came in, it's just like a 360. I had to escape the house. You know, I didn't tell my husband I was coming here, and that's totally fine, you know? Just coming here for maybe a half hour to an hour, who knows, timeless. But I won't be here forever, but we're here now. And but I told my mother-in-law that I was coming here. So this way I wouldn't be, you know, MIA. But look, see the beautiful forest, and you got the beautiful water. I mean, this is open to everyone. walking on the pine needles. I instantly feel better than how I felt when I woke up. You know, it's just, that's how powerful being in nature is on the mind, body, and spirit. Peep the glitter brows, peep the trees. Wow, I'm coming here more often. There's a little bench to sit. Little bench, water. I let 2 songs flow through here. It was Dragonfly and The Trees Are Our Friends. It's a really special place. I just want to sit and just take it in. This is the bench. We're gonna go in the sunshine. Johnny needs sunshine. You may need sunshine too. Hand on the tree. Hello. Embrace. Embracing. It almost feels like a foreign place, especially if you haven't been here in a long time. I haven't been here in a minute. It's just so nice to be here. Let's see if a song flows through. The sound of creation. This place is almost too good to be true. It's peaceful. It's quiet. Right now. I can't believe I'm here, pinch me. It's a good nervous system reset. Thank you, Katie, for giving me this information. It's being in the forest and being in nature is a really, truly a gift and a nervous system reset, especially if you're like me and you've been working a lot and you need a reset, you know? It's 100% free. I'm just checking to see. I trust that my bike is okay. I put my bike next to the tree. I feel so grounded. I feel so connected again. I feel connected to my own physical body. I feel all worry leaving me. And I feel a sense of peace and interconnectedness here that God intended for us. God is not a judgmental being. God loves all beings. God is pure love. And that very God that we are speaking of exists in everything and everyone, in all beings. And all there truly is love. I'm reminded right now when Thich Nhat Hanh said, peace in every step. And to be conscious of our in and out breath is a very important practice. Yet, and it's so simple. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. I gotta bring Kenny here. It's such a magical place. Nature is the most healing place and space for all of us, individually and collectively. See how the sun just sparkles? I miss exploring and coming in here, and I'm glad that we had a winter, but I'm really happy that you know, it's in the air that a lot of people are happier that it's spring. You feel that. A sense of renewal. Look at how the sun shines on the water like diamonds, like diamond light. It's surreal. It's like a sparkling meditation. Glittering. Breathe in. I am at peace. Breathe out. May all beings be at peace. Breathe in. I am truly loved, and I am love. Breathe out. May all beings everywhere feel loved and appreciated. Breathe in. I can relax with this inner knowing, with this universal knowing. that this place is here for all of us. We can choose to come here I'm programming my subconscious mind to come here more often because it helps me to soften my mind, my body, and my spirit. And the loving energy here, it's not judgmental. It's all accepting. It's unconditional. It's real. God is all love, and love is all God. And the way back to God is through love. Recently, I want to talk about this. There have been a few people who come up to me and say some things that are oppressive, but that is just their opinion and their belief system that I just have to keep reminding myself. And we are beautiful just the way we are. And I have a husband. Yes, I am gay. I have a loving, unconditionally loving husband. It's okay to teach your kids. It's okay to teach your kids about other different types of people in the world. Love is universal. It's okay to teach your kids that there are two people in the world that are husbands, or that there are two people in the world that are both wives, or there are two people in a relationship that are non-binary, or it's like God intended for all of creation to be different, but yet the same vibration and energy of love is universal. It exists everywhere. God is not judgmental. And it is up to us to rewrite the script. And I'm just an example. You're just an example of living our truth. And prayer really works, but living an example of being gay, of being openly gay, of being openly trans, it's a beautiful gift that you could give to yourself and give to others. Because then when you learn to embody who you are and respect and love yourself, and then you can have respect and love others in a respectful and mindful way. Everything starts from the self. All of our relationships. Our relationships to our body, our relationships to our mind, our relationships to the heart, our relationships to the trees, to how